Let's talk about breadcrumb navigation using end user. Let's start with the overview. End user by geography. We can choose a specific relative time. We can choose to be filtered on a specific app. Here I'm filtered on Nowhere Bank, and our aggregated data is by the hour. If I was investigating a crash because I'm looking at my application and I'm seeing the number of crashes which are a problem, I can now click into the crash analytics view. You'll notice the breadcrumb on top has updated. If I choose a specific crash type, notice our breadcrumb is updated. I can move into some details and look at my exception. If I wanted to simply go back one, I can do that here, or I can go straight back to crashes and errors, or directly back to my end user by geography, always keeping the context of where I've been and what I'm looking at. If I was looking at activities and funnels, I can repeat the same process. I can choose a funnel. I can choose a specific user journey. And when I drill into sessions, it has been updated here. If I wish to go back to where I was, I can click here and then back to end user by geography. I could always click back into the left menu, but this would reset my context. Looking at total sessions, here's a session. We go into a specific waterfall. I can move back to my sessions and move back to my geography, all within the same context. If, however, I wanted to look at end user information directly, now we've separated end user out from triage because in many cases they are a different person. So we've put our crashes and errors here under end user. Here's our session screen. And notice as I choose it from the left menu, my context is being reset. I click in here, I do have breadcrumbs, but they only ever bring me back to my initial left menu choice.